The G-force interactive calculator helps engineers quickly convert between acceleration values and G-forces for various motion scenarios. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: G-force from linear acceleration, G-force from velocity and radius, G-force from angular velocity and radius, linear acceleration from G-force, velocity from G-force and radius from G-force and velocity. For this demonstration, I'm using G-force from linear acceleration. Next, we have 5 input fields: G-force in G, linear acceleration in meters per second squared, velocity in meters per second, radius in meters, and angular velocity in radians per second. Let me walk through a calculation. I'll enter a linear acceleration of 19.613 meters per second squared. After clicking calculate, the results show a G-force of 2.000 G. This makes perfect sense because 19.613 meters per second squared is approximately twice Earth's gravity at 9.807 meters per second squared, giving us exactly 2 G. The calculator instantly converts your acceleration value into its G-force equivalent, making it ideal for analyzing vehicle dynamics, roller coaster designs, or aerospace applications. Find the link in the description below.